Hey guys, and welcome to the video, and thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be giving you Jeffree Star Valentine's Day 2022 spoilers, which I am so excited about. Very sorry about the delay on this video. Some of you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, know that I went to Kentucky, took a little trip up there so I could pick up my new baby goat. She's so sweet, and she's pregnant, and she's a Nubian dwarf. She's so cute. I'll put a picture up for you guys, but I love her so much already, and I'm so excited to have her join the farm fam. Also, if you guys don't know, I am going to be starting a second channel. It's my farming channel, and I will announce that once it's ready, but I've been doing some filming for that, and I have 38 animals, so you guys are going to really enjoy that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into these spoilers because I know you guys are excited. So if this is your first video from me, hello. I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. I spoil all kinds of things on this channel, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, especially if you've already clicked on this video. And let's go ahead and get started. So I do want to mention that I am going to be doing a really big giveaway. I ordered the Jeffree Star surprise bag. I ordered the Supreme and the Deluxe from his website. So when I have all of my products, I'm going to lay everything out, figure out how I'm going to do the giveaway, and there might be multiple winners, which is going to be super exciting. So don't forget to subscribe and get ready for that. But let's go ahead and get into these spoilers. I want to say thank you so much to Charlotte for sending these to me. These came from a Facebook group, and I'm not going to name the group because you guys know Facebook groups are crazy. I've been kicked out of all of them. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get into the spoilers. So, first glance, looking at all the products, I'm a little bit disappointed in the theme, only because I was really hoping for more Valentine's Day themed items. If you watched my last video where I wanted to see a lot of pink, a lot of, like, Valentine's Day themed items. But I'm not saying that these items are bad in any way. I just was hoping for, you know, more of a theme within the box, but that's okay. Anyways, let's go on with the first product. We have the Magic Star Powder. This is in the shade Lavender, so that's going to be good for color correcting and whatnot. I'm not exactly sure how, like, that one will work. You can just read the description, I guess, on the product, but that's our first spoiler. And then the second spoiler is the Orgy Palette, which is the Big Daddy. It's like, I think 62 bucks or something. I don't know. It's a really good palette if you're into neutrals. For me personally, it wasn't my favorite neutral palette. It was a little too dark for my choice. I'm more of a neutral cool tone girl, and I just wasn't digging the palette so much, but it's still a really, really good palette, and I think if you haven't gotten this yet, you will love it. The next palette coming in here is one that I was actually surprised to see, because remember when, okay, it's the Mini Breaker palette. Remember back in 2019, we got like 100 mini breaker palettes in our boxes. I cannot tell you how many mini breakers I've given away, I've sold, how many that have just come in and out of my makeup room. It's been a lot, and I can't believe we're seeing a mini breaker again. Honestly, I feel like everyone has one or three at this point. So yeah, you get a mini breaker, and you get a mini breaker, and you get a mini breaker if you don't already have 10 of them. But anyways, next spoiler is a Supreme Frost. I'm not sure the shade of it, but fingers crossed it's going to be a wearable shade, because I feel like I only ever get the crazy colors, and I want one that's going to, like, you know, I want it to be icy wifey, you know what I mean? Anyways, then we have 3 singles, which counts as one item, and I asked what they came from, and she said what did she say? She said 3 singles from Blood Money. So they're going to be Blood Money singles. If you don't have that palette. Now you have some singles from Blood Money. I did review that palette. It was an excellent green palette. Probably my favorite palette I ever reviewed from Jeffree Star. Super consistent formulas, super amazing. I highly recommend that palette. I personally sold it on my Poshmark because I don't just wear tons of green, so I would rather give it a good home somewhere else. But yeah, 3 singles counts as 1 item. Kind of wish you would stop with the singles, but I mean, you know, whatever, unless they were like exclusive singles. But you know, anyways, and then we have something a little bit crazy. The green mini lip bundle, which I'm like, when am I ever going to wear green? I mean, there's a lot of people out there that will. Now, what I think that this is going to be good for, I'm sure there's going to be variations, as there always is. So it could be the blue, it could be the purple, it could be a red, it could be a nude, it could be the rainbow. This person got the green. What I would use these for, because they're minis and I would not rock a green lip, I would take a brush like one of these or even an angled brush, and I would paint them on like eyeliner and do a wicked cool green eyeliner because they are eye safe. So I think that that would be really cool for eyeliners to do, like, you know, abstract liners and all that other stuff. Euphoria looks, you know, that's a trend these days. So there is a, you know, there's something for that. Then we have another lip product. I can't tell if it's a liquid lip or if it's a lip liner, but just know we're going to have some sort of lip product that's either a lip liner or a liquid lip, not a lip like a gloss or a Supreme gloss or a Velvet Trap. It's like either a liquid lip or a liner. And then we have our exclusives here. And here we have the purse, which this is not a makeup bag. It's strictly just a heart purse. And I think it's actually like really, really cute. And it looks like something that I am going to absolutely love. I know we got like his like side bags or fanny pack type bags. I wasn't really into that, but this I would love. It would be like the cutest little accessory to wear like if you're just gonna go to the store and stuff. So I'm very, very excited about that. Can't wait to get it. Let me know what you guys think down below about the bag and the fact that it's actually like a purse. Okay, I love that it's a purse. And then our last spoiler here is the exclusive liquid lip. I was hoping for a pink and a lot of people were hoping for a red. This looks like it's a pinky red. It definitely looks pretty dark, but it has a pinky hue to it just based off of the swatch from this photo. It almost looks like it could be a metallic. I'm almost thinking it looks like a metallic, but that's just based off the swatch, but it still looks like really pretty. I was hoping for like a really light pink, but I really do like this color and I think you guys are gonna like it as well. But let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you like this box? Are you disappointed? Are you happy about the products coming in there? Do you wish they were different products? Let me know, and specifically what would you have liked to see in these boxes, which you would not have wanted to see in these boxes. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!